The beautiful city of Nizhyn is situated on the banks of the small river Oster in the Chernihiv Oblast of northern Ukraine. It has a large number of elegant temples, ancient buildings, bronze monuments, and interesting museums. The city of Nizhyn is a real open-air museum and is often called the City of Churches. Its rich architecture attracts thousands of tourists from all regions of Ukraine. Welcome to one of the 7 wonders of Ukraine, the ancient city of Nizhyn. In 2017, in the nomination Historical Cities, the city was awarded the title of one of the 7 wonders of Ukraine. Few other cities in Ukraine can boast so many architectural monuments. From the middle of the 17th century, the city began to develop rapidly and became the most populous city of the left bank of Ukraine. From the beginning of the 18th century, the active stone building of the city began. Rich merchants built temples, houses, and city buildings. To this day, there are still buildings and whole districts built in the 18th century. The city of Nizhyn is a unique historical place in the Chernihiv region of Ukraine.